morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, after we reviewed the U78 Plus smartwatch, a very affordable sport smartwatch, we are here back again to provide you a review of another affordable smartwatch in the market. So, what we have here is the 116 Plus smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, so we have here, it is a heart rate monitor, blood pressure, waterproof smart bracelet. Okay, so we're going to have an unboxing review of the 116 Plus smartwatch. Okay, so let's check it out. So, smart bracelet, your health steward. So we have here the basic specifications. We have a 1.3-inch display, TFT screen, Bluetooth 4.0, H86620D master chip. Okay, charging interface. I think we have a direct USB cable here, and 150 mAh lithium polymer battery with 2 hours of charging time. So for the smartwatch availability, color availability for this one, we have red, purple, blue, green, and black. Please take note that it's not the body but the strap. The body, I think, is available in black color only, and for the strap we have several color options here. Okay, so let's check. I think we picked the red color or purple. Let's see. So we have here the heart rate, okay, calorie and step. So let's check. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, as you can see here, very affordable, but of course very cheap packaging also. Anyway, once you assemble the smartwatch, who needs the box? Okay, so no need to have a very intricate or classy box. You're not going to use it anyway. So what the content of the smartwatch, we have the strap, the body or the smartwatch, and the user manual. Okay, so we got it from this website, or from this shopping site. Okay, from the seller here. So try to check out the links below, okay, if you want to get one. So smart handling manual we have here. Okay, so it is available in Android 4.2 and above, iOS 8.0 and above. Also have Bluetooth 4.0 here, and we have the QR code here. So we have here HRY fine for the QR code. The same with the Android. Okay, so we have here the Chinese language, and this one is for the English language. So let's check it out. Okay, for the design, obviously we have a PC body here, direct USB charging. Okay, we have here the heart rate sensor. Okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, PC body, a 2.5D. I don't know if this is glass or plastic. So we have here a touch button key. Okay, for the strap, so we have the strap, stainless steel buckling closure. Let's try and attach it. Okay. Okay, look, it looks simple. Okay, but it's okay. I think it's okay. So let's check out the specs here. Again, we have a 1.3-inch TFT LCD with a 240 by 240 pixel resolution. Okay, we also have, it is a smartwatch with a heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor. What else? Okay, Bluetooth 4.0 compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, we have here a heart rate, blood pressure, sleep monitor, step counter, calorie, and distance. We also have a message reminder, alarm clock, Twitter notification, WhatsApp notifications, and Facebook notifications. Okay, so let's check the content of the smartwatch, its menus, and other extra functions here. Okay, I guess as you can see here, there are no physical buttons here. Plain black PC body and the display screen here. Just long pressed on the touch button key. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have here display hello. Okay, did you hear that? So there's a very strong vibration. So this is, I guess, the default watch face. Okay, we also have another one. Okay, we have here, wow, I'm surprised, it has a very good graphics here, somewhat like a very clear, sharp 2D graphics or 3D graphics. Okay, heart rate monitor with the blood pressure here. Okay, long press for sports and the settings. We also have the camera remote control. Okay, let's check. Again, we also have a looking for anti-lost, and that's it. Okay, so let's check for the sports. Long press. So we have the steps, we have the skipping rope, sit up, and that's it. So we have at least 3 sports mode. Again, let's try. Long press. So we have, it counts for the calorie, I think. So let's steps. Okay, for the settings, let's check. So we have here the QR code. Okay, just in case you misplaced the user manual and you forgot the name of the support app. So this one, it already has a QR code in the smartwatch, so don't worry if you lost the user manual here. Okay, we have reset and the power button here. Okay, long press to activate the function. So let's try with the heart rate monitor. So it's counting. Let's check. So let's try. Going to put my thumb here, my finger. So it is, so I guess this one is a blood oxygen and this one blood pressure, and we have the heart rate monitor. Okay, let's do it again. Long press, go back. Very responsive, I think. So it works right away. Once you tap on the button key here, So it switches to the next menu or next option. Okay, very good response. Okay, so fluid animation, I mean smooth animation. So far smartwatch is okay. So it is a very affordable smartwatch, 116 plus smartwatch, very simple to use, and I love the display screen and the graphics. I just don't know if the graphics here or the brightness here will be okay if you are outside. Okay, I'm not sure about that, but here inside the room, so far it is viewable, very sharp, very clear, smooth transition of menus, and the touch button key here is very responsive. Okay, so that's your 116 plus smartwatch. So this one, if you notice, there are a lot of smartwatches in the market with the same design. I guess it is just a rebranding, but still they have the same function. Okay, the same design, features, just different brand, and of course the name. Okay, but still it's just the same smartwatch, I think. Maybe there are some few tweaks, okay, some few alteration, okay, but so far I guess it is safe to say they have the same battery and display. Okay, and of course the options. Then if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries. Okay, if you want to watch on how to connect this to its support app, okay, the QR code here comes with the user manual. Watch out for our next video. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.